Have you ever heard of a courtroom where even one party doesn't know all the evidence? Welcome to the world of a controversial legal practice used in Indian courts. Sealed cover. Jurisprudence refers to the practice of submitting sensitive information to a court in a sealed envelope, viewable only by the judge. There's no standalone law defining it, but it draws authority from, and it's mainly used when the information relates to ongoing investigations, or if revealing it would breach privacy or trust. Rule 7 says, if the Chief Justice considers something confidential, no one else can access it, unless permitted. Section 123 protects unpublished official documents that relate to state affairs, shielding them from disclosure in court. But here's where it gets tricky. Sealed covers can limit transparency. They go against the principle of open courtrooms. They create, some parties see the material, others don't. This means limited chance to respond, which may threaten the worst case. It can be misused to hide inconvenient truths or push biased decisions. There's no standard rule. It's often up to the judge, making the system feel arbitrary. In several landmark cases it called sealed cover evidence a threat to a fair trial. It warned that such non-disclosure makes adjudication. The takeaway? Sealed covers must be used. Always weighed against transparency, fairness, and justice.
The public is entitled to know why.
Dear valued viewers worldwide,